Welcome back to my vlog channel once more. Alright, so this is what Hunter did yesterday. As you can see, he would have cleared off the bushes over there. We're going to rake it off. Those leaves, we're going to rake them up. And then he's going to organize all of those tree branches. And so we can burn what we don't want. And that big tree trunk that you're looking at, I think I'm going to use it to make some kind of furniture item, something, either like a stool or something. I am going to use it to make something. Alright, so this section is ready to plant up. Scotty is a bit busy, so he still has not come today, but he said by Wednesday to Thursday he will be here. And you can see the trees up there, they're drying up, so we'll soon burn it out. All of that will be burnt out, and so the land can be seen better, and we can just start cleaning up some more and farming. Alright, so yes man, Hunter lick them down, everything they are grown, except for those little trees that he's going to come and just use the machete and chop down, and some other stuff that he said he's going to just clean out. But I think he has done a good job, you know. Yeah man, so we're going to do over this side some sweet pepper, but the sweet pepper seedlings won't be ready until the next 25 days. The suckers rather, they won't be ready until the next, well, the seedling sucker, whatever, it's the same thing, but they won't be ready until the next 25 days. So I am thinking that instead of planting the sweet pepper on this section, I'm going to plant it on that section, so we can prepare this section for the sweet pepper. In the meantime, we plant up this section with something else. I have a lot of seeds, so I'm just going to make the best decision and plant, you know, the best thing for me right now on this side of the farm. All right, so that's what's up, and I want to give you a closer look on the pineapples, right? Because the pineapples have all catched off. You can see they're standing at attention. Yes, pineapples do look lovely. And one of the things that I've noticed is that some of the carrot has started to hatch. Some people call it hatch, some people call it burse. Well, I'm trying to see if I can find some for you to see right now. Of course, this is the area where the carrot is planted. Let me go over this side because I cannot walk in the carrot grown. Alright, I take my time. This is where we would have planted the corns. Just follow along so I can show you where the carrots are bursting. So you look closely, those are carrots hatching. So happy about it. It needed the rain, so now that it's getting a little rain, they're starting to burst. There's a big patch down here as well, right here. Yes, you can see a lot of carrots coming up. Some people call it hatching. They would say the carrots start to hatch. Oops. Think I step on some right here beside the pineapple here. You can see some hatching. Think I need to be more careful because I'm walking on the edge. I can see some over there as well. I don't know if you guys can see right in the middle there. That's carrot. And right over here, some more carrot. So I am super happy about the carrots starting to hatch or burst out of the ground. Boy, I'm telling you, it's pure blessing on the farm. Pure blessing. I'm so grateful to God for the rains the other day because the farm really needed it. And you can see the changes in the farm since we got the rains. So you would have known that this section is actually where we plant up some okra seeds. And of course the sweet potato farm. Yes. So I am indeed grateful. I'm happy. I'm excited about farming. I've never been so excited about farming. I have to say, I just can't wait to see everything come to fullness. I can't wait for the sweet potatoes to be ready for harvesting. I can't wait to see the carrots coming up and ready to harvest. I can't wait to see the pines. I can't wait to see the melon and the pumpkin, the dashins and the cocoa, the cassava over that side. I just can't wait for everything to come out, and so it can inspire other young females to try something for themselves, because farming is indeed something that can be very payable. All right, so I'm using this opportunity to tell young people out there, not just young, whatever age you are, to do a little farming and inspire others. And it's really therapy. Farming is indeed therapy. Sometimes when you feel stressed and you go on your farm and you see how lovely the farm looks, you just feel relaxed. And sometimes whatever you're thinking about or may have been thinking about or stressing about, it's just like it's all gone when you see the farm. So I'm encouraging everyone out there to just do something for yourself. If you're sitting at home and you really don't have a job, you have nothing to do, instead of depending on others, try to do something for yourself. All right, so I'm encouraging everyone out there also to like, subscribe and share my vlog channel, Shan Unique Vlogs JA, where you can see more about my day-to-day activities, my farming, and other activities that I will showcase on this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to subscribe and share. All right, see you in my next vlog.